Hello, everyone. You guys can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, so very excited today to show you guys project and application that we were working on during this Nimble section, and this application is Nimble Link. Okay, so about member of in the project we have Nam as a PM roles, Hoang, me as the developers, and also Quan as the designer, and we work as a real project. Okay, so next, what is Nimble Link? Is a tool, a website that we create a free link sorting tool for everyone. So as like some website, BitDoc, some website that we used before for sorting link. So we create a free link sorting tool for everyone. So you guys can go to the application and sort some link and also share to everyone. Okay. And the feature of the application is first at the guest, I can shorten link so everyone can use this application, and just simply shorten a link, and the application will give the guest a short link and share it to everyone. Another feature is at the user after log into the app, we can shorten link and include a password. And also we can customize the short link so it's easy to remember. And of course, like as a user, I can manage all my links before like the history and the dashboard. We can update, edit, and also delete the link. About technology here, like we use a lot of new technology, and as a mobile developer, I don't know that's technology, but show you guys. Like first about Devops, we have Docker, K3s, a lightweight Kubernetes, Terraform, and also Ketchup. About backend, we use Golang and the Gin framework for Go, and also PostgreSQL. And next for frontend, we use Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and also use Figma for design the frontend, the website. Okay, next. Now I'm going to introduce you guys about the DevOps system.
Hello everyone. Guys, everyone can hear me, right? So first, I will introduce about the K3s. Yeah, K3s is a lightweight distribution of Kubernetes, which mostly popular for Java technology today. So it's the lightweight distribution of that. It is simple, made by simple, the minimal file, and yeah, they cut a lot of technology like STD and replace it by SQLite. And yeah, it's the diagram describe about the K3s technology. Like they have one server and a lot of agent here, and yeah, like Kubernetes, they also have an API server or scheduler, controller, manager, and a lot of pods run the out of. Next slide, please. Yeah, in this project, for easier set up the agent and the server, I use Ketchup for install the server on the VM. We using the Google VM, yeah, to install the server and the agent. And yeah, after that, Ketchup will return out the Kubernetes config file to control everything about the Kubernetes instant port service in our local. Yeah. So this diagram of our project. First, after some posts push to GitHub, we use the GitHub action to push the Docker image to the Docker Hub here, and then we have a service, the deployment, a lot of ports here, and in this project we use two kind of service like backend service for the Golang project and the database service for the Postgre. Yeah. There are a lot of knowledge from the Kubernetes, so everyone interesting about that. We can talk on the Devops guide on channel Slack channel. So when the user access the app, and then in the app we will call a lot of API here, and it's direct to the Cloud DNS, and Cloud DNS will forward the request to the service Kubernetes here. So that's all the diagram of Devops side of this project. Yeah. Next one will talk about the front end side.
Okay. So for the front end side, I use the Nest.js with the view composition API, and I use Tailwind CKet also deployed in the virtual platform. Yeah, and the next slide. So why I choose the Nest.js, because it has I think it's the best framework for Vue.js, and it helps us a lot in the setup. So we can it automatic translation and bundling with all things. So we don't need to do anything, just create a new project and code. So it's also support the hot code reloading. It's server-side rendering, and it can also do the single application, or it can generate the static page, and all the file can be served in all the files static file in the static folder we map to root, and we can configure with the node config file. Then we can put the layout in the layout directory. We also can add the middleware to check maybe the authentication or something like that, and we can submit the code for every page in the page directory, and we check loading such a critical set for the page level. If you want to find more things for Node.js, you can click on the link. Okay. And I also use the view composition API. It will be shipped with in the next Vue.js version. And for previous version, we use the component base for the component for the logic, and for the next level we will use the composition. So it can split the logic into multiple files, and we can review it for many JS file or components. And next thing, I use Tailwind CKet. And why I choose it? Because it is more simple than another when, for example, WhatsApp or Boomba, they ship a lot of things. For example, they have a default some sample about the button, the input form, but I want to create from scratch. So I did the Tailwind CSS. It could provide a lot of low-level utility classes that we can build the website from beginning. We can build the button from setting the border, the size, and it's responsive to the call. For each screen, we can set different classes, And if component friendly, we can create some component and just apply the utility class. Then we check if the component is safe. And if desired to be customized, we can just customize the or anything we need in the UI. That's all for the front-end side. Now, so we will demo the website.
Okay, so I will introduce you guys about the application. Here's we finished the application and deploy it to the link app and darknamts.
The Nimble link, is that the same font that Cisco uses?
Okay.
Quan for that.
Okay, so yeah, first let's try with a guest. Like we don't need to log into the application to the website. For example, I want to short this link and paste a long link to it and shorten. Then we have a link, a short link here, and we can do this. Then done. Okay, this simple feature.
Nice.
And next, login. The login feature now we just support for the email from Nimble. So if you guys use different email, so we cannot log in into this. So I just use my email, Nimble email. And okay, so here it shows some recent link that I created before. And now, for example, like I will create this link again in my account, then I shorten it, and then it have this random shorten link here. But if you guys want to customize the backup here, we can customize it like URL slide, something like that. And yeah, let's just leave the password for the next demo. Let's just say it and copy. So here we have a short link with the customize, and that's, yeah, just show again. And now we can easily log in into the application, customize a short link, and also example, also the feature with the password, because okay, so I put 1 2 3 4 5 6, then copy, and then this will have it in the recent link. We can see here it have the password, and you can view it in case you forgot the password, and then when go to the link with the password, it will show something like this content is password protected. Then just input your password and then enter. I will show the original URL.
Are you at least hashing it? Like,
okay, let me copy it.
Another two-way before.
Hey guys. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And also we can and also, yeah, you can see the links of the user with total link here, 5 link, and also view password, check the total click here, and also edit and delete. Yeah, this
Sue, question: how much data are you collecting from the people who use those shortened links? Are you doing any data collection?
No, we check the count of the visit.
That's lost revenue there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So here, like, you guys can try it on this link app, Dev. But I think like we already have a domain like nimble.link, so maybe we can config with that domain for everyone. Yeah.
Yeah, we like the shorter you can get.
Question, please.
The last one.
Okay, that's it.
No.
Yeah, it's not one. In the design, the just has the desktop design.
But yeah, guys, I think you should get a shorter, better domain, and then it's a great tool for internal use.
Yeah, because like we subscribe in Bitly, right? We have an account there.
Bitly is great, but why not have our own?
Yeah.
It does the same thing, literally.
So now the question is that like, have you guys calculating also like, is there any tag system first because it's for the speed, right? If we are using it in our organizations, then there will be a lot of links we need to retrieve and post it on the say for example like on social network or marketing link or stuff like that. So have you guys implemented any cache mechanism? Second thing is that have you guys calculated on how much of the data that you guys will need to store on the database requirements over there? Yeah, 2 questions.
Yeah. For now, we because of short time, we don't have any implemented about the caching. Yeah. So that is first kind of the first version. So yeah, a lot of room to improve that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for your recommendation. Right.
And how about the storage that you will need to use? Say, for example, like if our service is running for years and 5 years, and then imagine is that one day we are generating like 100 to 1,000 of links or stuff like that. Then have you guys calculated like also like the amount of the storage you get?
Storage cheap. In 10 years, we'll have terabytes on your phones.
Yeah, for now we only store we store every data on the app on the Postgres as Circle. So yeah, it's kind of easy to calculate it. But for now, I don't know how much user we have in the future. So maybe kind of for now 3G 4G for database storage is enough for us now. Maybe we can scale out it. Maybe we can move to NoSQL to scale out our storage. Not only the Circle as like Postgres now we are using.
You can always delete the old links after 1 year.
Yeah, it means we need to design also like on the cleanup as well, because there's some link it will be only.
Yeah, for free users it should be like 10 days max. For like guest users.
Yeah, I think sorry, I think that for Nimble Growth, the first session, maybe we could improve it a little later, step by step. So for that, thank you the Nimble Link team. That is